Okay, so here we are again in another video. Today I had to go to the doctor, but so I couldn't trade, and then I had to go to work. So yeah, I just reanalyzed that now when I arrived at home at 11 p.m. But well, it's okay. Well, first of all, um, we had this round liquidity on each one here, and well, I wasn't expecting a reaction here, but maybe as a continuation to the downside. So the round liquidity was here, and maybe here. Well, no, here there's nothing. Well, we have this low here, but it's not really relevant. So maybe we could have expected a reaction here, but yeah, the true one for me was this one. It reacted perfectly. It took the liquidity and then it went down. As you can see, no confirmation needed here, and it took the previous daily low. Okay. GBUSD, more or less the same. It took this low. Well, for me, maybe the relevant liquidity was this low here, as it was the one that broke structure. So, but this is the previous weekly low, so it's relevant liquidity too for me. Okay. So we could have expected a reaction there anyways, because it's relevant liquidity, the previous weekly low. So we had this breakup structure to the downside, relevant liquidity M5 taken, and 1 to 4. So this would have been a TP. I wasn't here, unluckily, but it's okay. And yeah, it's just my timings are being like this, but it's okay. And then, well, we had this price action. It never took this high, but it went to take the previous day low in the end. Okay, so it took all the liquidity here, all the liquidity. USDJPY, nothing really interesting. Like, well, we had this, it reacted, and it took this. It took this relevant liquidity on each one that broke this structure yesterday, and with a pretty clear downtrend here. Okay, so yeah, probably we can take this high tomorrow, or maybe we take this week again. USDCHF, it took this relevant liquidity on each one here. So this was out of timing really, and then this afternoon I was looking for a sell here after breaking this, but it never took the round liquidity. So, and it did the trade that I was looking for was this one. Okay, I was looking for this sell. I saw it here, it broke structure, and then it came back, mitigated, and boom. Okay, so never took this round liquidity, so not an entry for me. Fuck. And then it took this round liquidity on M5, round liquidity on M5, round liquidity on M5, and boom. Okay, so yeah. And I'm tired, bro. And here, round liquidity on H1, it took this, but with this wick and this reaction, usually when it creates a wick and then another reaction, it moves down or it moves up, it usually is a fake movement. So we went down to take this liquidity. It's relevant because it took this round liquidity. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe it's relevant liquidity, but not for me right now. Okay. So. Yeah. We should be a previous daily high. Sorry. break constructor. Here probably we would have had an entry, but out of timing. Yeah, nothing at all here. So yeah, this was the day. Let's see Nasdaq, but Nasdaq, I still believe that these lows are going to be taken. I'm not sure, but I don't like them. Okay, so yeah, here we are ranging. Really, we are ranging all this way. Well, we had this breakup structure here, and probably we took the round liquidity on M5. Yeah. Here we took the round liquidity on M5. Breakup structure, never got an entry, and then took liquidity here to the left. This liquidity. The Asia liquidity is so important. So important. Usually it's when it's the place where it reacts. Asia midline with relevant liquidity usually reacts instantly, and then relevant liquidity on 5 here. And yeah. So yeah, this was my day. I am fucking tired. And I want to go to sleep, so I still have work to do. So yeah, I hope you like it, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.